This is February from our Girlfriends Are Beautiful calendar. Hi, February.
Hello.
So I have some questions for you since we came together as girlfriends and talking about some of the challenges growing up and finding our identity. I wonder if as a child you grew up feeling beautiful.
God, no. No, I did not. I was a tomboy. So I did not feel beautiful. I felt awkward. And I did a lot of sporting activities to feel better, which worked. But no, I can firmly say I did not feel beautiful.
Today I see you as a very feminine woman. When did you find your femininity?
You know, it's funny because I don't see myself that way. I still feel like a tomboy. So I don't know. I don't know when I found that. I'm glad it comes across that way. I think I'm more comfortable with me than I used to be, so my little quirks and funny expressions or whatever, I feel okay with today, but it wasn't always that way.
Do you think that beauty is judged fairly in the general population?
I mean, no. I think a lot of times people are attracted to what they see, face value. So I know as a kid I was always trying to kind of meet that ideal and always felt like I fell short. It wasn't really until I learned that I was okay with who I was and got comfortable with the qualities that were unique about me that I feel like I kind of came into my own as far as feeling beautiful.
I think what you just said answered my next question, but for any young girls out there that might look at the perfect image or the perfect model, what tips would you give them to find their own inner strength, their own inner beauty?
Just be you. I know it sounds cliche and you kind of have to go through the bumps in the road to figure that out, but that's okay. That's part of the journey and it's part of what makes you who you are. So really the most important thing, I think the thing that I strive for now is, you know, I aspire to be like those people that you see who are comfortable with themselves, and it's a beautiful thing. Each person that's unique and individual, those things are what make them beautiful. So I would say don't try and be somebody that you aren't or try and be like someone else appears to be. Be who you are.
And on that note, which I think is absolutely perfect advice, thank you so much for sharing your beauty with us.